This etude is pure agitation, a chase through night and storm. Flashes of light, sudden gusts of wind, rapid footsteps over rocky ground. It demands precision, agility, and an imagination that dances between terror and exhilaration. The first runs should be like flickering flames, nervous, quick, full of hidden energy. Stay light, as if your fingers barely touch the keys. The faster you go, the lighter you must feel. Let the right accents help your long sections. Even when the texture thickens, never lose the pulse underneath. Let the tension breathe. Don't play all forte. Shape the dynamics with smart voicing like waves, rising, falling, surging forward. The left and right hands often move independently, one rushing, the other stabbing with accents. Keep each hand crisp, distinct, but connected by one breath, one nervous rhythm. The final bars must vanish in speed and mystery. No heavy landing, just a sudden disappearance, as if a shadow raced past you and dissolved into the night. This etude is one of the most difficult but also most rewarding. An amazing short-form masterpiece composed as if from a single mold. It demands not just technique but the ability to channel restless, invisible forces. Play it like a ghost sprinting through a thunderstorm, unseen, untouchable but unforgettable. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon and have an amazing day.